Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Zillow, full guide step by step clearly. To invest in Zillow, start by researching the company. Understand what Zillow does and its place in the real estate market. Visit Zillow's official website to get an overview of its services and offerings. Familiarize yourself with its business model, including how it generates revenue. Next, check Zillow's financial performance by reviewing its earnings reports. Look at key metrics such as revenue growth, profit margins, and stock price history. Open a brokerage account if you don't have one already. Choose a reputable online trading platform that suits your investing style. Once your account is set up, fund it with the amount you plan to invest. Search for Zillow stock using its ticker symbol, ZG. Analyze the stock's current price and performance trends. Decide how many shares you want to purchase based on your budget. Place a market order if you want to buy shares immediately at the current price. Alternatively, use a limit order if you wish to buy shares at a specific price. Review your order carefully before confirming the purchase. After acquiring shares, monitor Zillow's performance regularly. Stay updated on real estate market trends and Zillow's business developments. Consider setting up alerts for relevant news about the company. Evaluate your investment periodically to determine if adjustments are needed. Keep abreast of earnings reports and analyst ratings to inform your strategy. Plan your exit strategy, considering profit goals and market conditions. Continue to educate yourself about investing strategies and market dynamics. By following these steps, you can effectively navigate investing in Zillow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.